Hello, and welcome to the UWindsor GSS. This is a tutorial on how to opt in or out of the drug and dental plan. Let's begin. First off, you will visit uwindsorgss.ca. You will go over to Services and click Supplemental Benefits Plan. Remember that doing this on the Opus website, UWSA, or Green Shield will not work. You must go on the GSS website and complete the opt-in or out form from this site. To be eligible to opt out, you must have a comparable North American benefit plan. OHIP, travel insurance, ODSP are not comparable plans. If you are not sure that you've been automatically assessed for this benefits plan, you should check your UWinsight student financial account, go under Student Statement, and look for GSS Supplemental Benefits Plan. If you have been charged, then you are opted in and you must opt out to receive your money back. Next, you have to look out for the timing. This must be done at the start of your academic year. So if you are starting in the fall, this will be most likely September, for the winter, January, and for summer sessions, May. On this very site, you will be able to find an open and close date, and you have to do this within the allotted time. So now you're able to start filling the form. Go to opt-out information, scroll down to opt-in, opt-out form, and the form will begin. This is where you choose opt-in or out. Click next. Now you will fill out your academic information of what program you're taking and when your enrollment starts. It will immediately tell you whether you're eligible or not. So if you are, you can click next. Now you will type in your first, last name, student number, gender, and date of birth. Next. UN email, valid phone number, and a Canadian address. Then click next. Now you can either do both or dental or just health. Then you will type in your insurance name, policy number, the name of the person under the plan, and the relation to you if it's not yourself. Then click next. Now you agree to the terms and conditions, both of them, and submit. Once your opt-out has been approved by the GSS, your refund amount will be placed back onto your student account by the cashier's office. They will notify you by email when the refund has been processed and how to reclaim the remaining balance. You will not receive your refund immediately. The process for reviewing will happen after the deadline has closed. Then it has to go to the cashiers and from then loaded onto student accounts. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for visiting the GSS. Please click subscribe and stay up to date with more GSS content. See you soon.